Hey, hey. Have sex. This constant flapping of wings. Stupid pig, bioluminescent creature. It's my ocean cousin sea angel. As for why stupid pigs glow, that's the craziness of Japanese raw coke. No disguise. Remove packaging. Stay away from wind and frost. Just for the starlight of life. Yeah. Sea angels live in polar oceans. Because usually no one watches, so very unscrupulous. Just take off your clothes and live, naked and undisguised. Sea angels have skin as thin as cicada wings. It's as thin as a cicada's wings, ha ha ha. Pure green stupid boat at a glance. They live with another little cutie. A snail that lives in the sea. They used to hang out. Cousin, I'm out. One two 1 2 1 2 if you are tired of playing 12. Eat it. After all, only friends who have played since childhood. Only then can we clearly know how much the other party wants. Sea angels will mix the flesh and internal organs of the little snail, all sucked into the stomach. Don't talk about good brothers for a lifetime. Let's see the sea angel's cousin, the bird of paradise. This is our old friend. Today he got a new set of skin. To give us a good job again. As usual, clean the floor before the whole goods. Go. Go to your mother and find some tire inspection layout venues. So that it wouldn't hurt so much when I got into a fight. The venue has been processed. Mother-in-law arrived on time. Shake it up. Keep playing music. Keep dancing. The bear bird is shaking more and more wrong. His dance attracted several bear birds. These 6 has been convinced by the protagonist's pomegranate skirt. Looks like something needs to be done. The protagonist brings half a leaf to express one's strong sexual orientation. Also remind other bears and birds. It means they are not welcome here. Rolling, rolling. Get out, chick. After the other males leave, protagonist readjustment. Status goes out again. Little Blackie hasn't finished a dance yet. Just fly up and do bad things. 1 2 number 3. Wow, is it gone? Faster than my cousin. The bird passed away in the cold wind. I guess he will never come back to this place again.